A new AI model, Goku A.I, has just been unveiled, and it's already making waves in the AI community. Developed by ByteDance, the Chinese tech giant behind TikTok, Goku A.I is an open-source model focused on image and video generation. But here's the biggest concern. Should anyone trust an AI model developed in China? With cybersecurity threats and potential government oversight, is Goku A.I a breakthrough or a major security risk? ByteDance's Goku A.I is designed to rival top-tier AI models like OpenAI's Sora by leveraging rectified flow transformers to create high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. The model's architecture focuses on enhancing information flow, making its output smoother and more detailed. Unlike traditional generative models, which sometimes struggle with distortions and glitches, Goku A.I aims to deliver flawless visuals. However, as with any Chinese-developed AI, the question isn't just about performance. It's about who controls the technology and how safe it really is. One of the biggest concerns is data security and privacy. ByteDance has already faced scrutiny for its ties to the Chinese government, with TikTok being investigated for potential data collection risks. If Goku A.I follows a similar pattern, users could unknowingly be feeding sensitive information into an AI system that isn't fully transparent about where its data goes. This raises major cybersecurity concerns, especially for businesses, developers, and organizations that rely on AI models for sensitive or confidential work. Despite security concerns, Goku A.I has shown impressive performance. In text-to-video generation, it scored 84.85 on VBench, securing the second-place ranking as of late 2024, outperforming several major competitors. It supports multiple generation tasks, including text-to-video, image-to-video, and text-to-image, making it an attractive option for content creators, advertisers, and developers. But who has access to the data generated by Goku A.I? If the model is connected to Chinese servers, it could pose a massive security risk, as foreign AI models often lack the strict privacy protections found in US-developed models. One major advantage of Goku A.I is that it's open source, meaning developers around the world can access, modify, and build upon it. This is similar to models like Meta's Llama or DeepSeek, which also promote collaboration and accessibility. However, open-source AI developed outside the US comes with additional risks. The fact that the model is open does not mean it is free from government oversight, and Chinese-developed AI has already been flagged by cybersecurity experts for potential hidden vulnerabilities, backdoors, or data siphoning mechanisms. DeepSeek, for example, has been criticized for its connections to the Chinese government, raising concerns about data privacy, security, and espionage risks. If Goku A.I follows the same model, users should think twice before adopting it. Businesses and developers should be extremely cautious when using non-US AI models, as data security and sovereignty are at stake. If an AI model is trained or hosted on foreign servers, then all interactions with the model could be subject to foreign surveillance laws. Another important factor is how AI models are regulated in different countries. In the US, AI development follows strict cybersecurity policies that help prevent models from being misused for surveillance, misinformation, or unethical data collection. In contrast, China has different AI regulations, meaning that an AI model developed there could be subject to government control at any time. Even though ByteDance claims Goku A.I is open source, this does not guarantee full transparency regarding how the model was trained or how user data is handled. The rapid advancement of AI video generation means that competition is heating up between Western and Chinese models. While OpenAI's Sora remains one of the most powerful video generation AI models, Goku A.I.'s entry into the market shows that China is pushing hard to dominate the AI space. But just because an AI model is powerful doesn't mean it's safe. The real danger comes from models that lack clear accountability, security protocols, and regulatory oversight. This raises a critical question. Should foreign AI models be trusted, or should companies rely only on US-developed models? With rising concerns over AI security, more businesses and governments are starting to ban foreign AI tools, especially in sensitive industries. If Goku A.I becomes widely adopted, it could lead to major cybersecurity threats, just as concerns over TikTok led to widespread bans in government agencies. Another issue to consider is how foreign AI models can be used for disinformation or propaganda. If an AI system like Goku A.I becomes integrated into social media, advertising, or content creation platforms, it could be used to spread misleading or manipulated content. The ability to generate high-quality, realistic videos with ease means that these tools could be exploited for political manipulation, misinformation campaigns, or cyber warfare tactics. This is why security experts are warning against blindly trusting AI models developed outside of secure jurisdictions. Despite its strong capabilities, Goku AI should not be blindly adopted by businesses or individuals concerned about cybersecurity. Without a fully transparent origin and oversight structure, the risks outweigh the rewards.
The biggest takeaway?
Just because an AI model is powerful doesn't mean it's safe. So what do you think? Should companies avoid foreign AI models due to cybersecurity risks? Would you trust Goku AI? Or does its connection to ByteDance and China make it too dangerous? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more breaking AI and cybersecurity updates.